Hello and welcome to my Cali research project for IT security. My name is Anthony, and the first one we'll be going through is Autopsy. So the first thing you want to do with Autopsy is obviously open it, and then you want to open a new case. Type in a name for the test that you'll be doing. So I'll go live demo in this demonstration, and then we would want to choose the file path of which the VM or suspect machine resides. In this demonstration I'll be using the midterm exam. Alright, after it loads, we want to press next. This part is optional, but if you are working in an organization, it's best to state what the case number is and who's examining it. But assuming how it's not for an organization, I'm not going to worry about it. After the document loads, it'll prompt this. You just select what host. Easy, just to keep it easy, I just leave it on the default option, which is generate new host name based on data source name. Select what type of disk it is, assuming how it's a VM. We're going to go with the VM file. Go next, and we're going to browse the document where the VM is. Alright. Then we'd want to choose the VM. The IT sec midterm. Sometimes it just takes a while to load. Select the file that has this type of icon, usually with .vm dk. Press next. I just usually leave this on default. This just basically says like what is it gonna ingest, and also see what the system has. Let me press next. Then it loads. Lastly, you just want to press finish and give it a few moments before you start to actually analyze the system, because it will start to load some information. But you are able to analyze all the information that's been on the system. So here's all the deleted files that were on the system. You could also see the web cookies, web history. Any web searches as well. Very useful tool, and it's mostly used in law enforcement, military, and I believe FBI. I believe that falls under law enforcement. Anyways, that's the demonstration on Autopsy. Thank you for watching.